Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So you told any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end, and then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about step-side chocolate cake decorating ideas in different styles, different color combinations and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas from this video that suit both homeland and professional cake parties, baby showers, birthday, anniversary or any celebrations. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most beautiful and most creative designs. If you new my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Chocolate cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Chocolate cake decorating for special chocolate lovers or any celebrations. Chocolate cake decorating ideas transfer space into bride celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trading. If you like more ideas or specific decorating tips, please visit my channel and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. These decorating brings the excitement of birthday persons and any other celebration persons, make parties unforgettables. These designs are very unique. All the designs are very beautiful and amazing. If you like any designs and if you're new my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. So you can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers or any other celebrations. Consider chocolate themed decor matching the occasions. I hope you like these decorations with the chocolate theme and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful, step-side chocolate cake designs showcase love and celebrations. I am sure chocolate cake designs from this video. If you like any designs and if you new my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope you like and enjoy my video. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decorating ideas, and any other celebration ideas, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.